Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the Roblox white screen then crash. First, immediately restart your computer, which often clears minor software conflicts. Simultaneously, power cycle your internet router by unplugging it for about 10 seconds, then plugging it back in. This simple step can resolve network-related loading problems. A stable connection is fundamental for a smooth Roblox experience, preventing many common startup errors. Next, clear your Roblox cache files, as accumulated data can lead to crashes. Navigate to your app data folder, then delete the Roblox folder within local and roaming. After clearing the cache, completely uninstall Roblox from your system settings. Then, download and install a fresh copy directly from the official Roblox website. This process helps eliminate any corrupted files or outdated installations, causing the white screen issue. Updating your graphics drivers is a vital step for stable gaming. Outdated drivers frequently cause display errors, including the white screen crash. Identify your graphics card model, then visit the manufacturer's official website, like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Download and install the latest available driver for your specific card. A recent driver can drastically improve game compatibility and prevent many visually related freezing or crashing problems, ensuring a much smoother experience. Sometimes, your computer's firewall or antivirus software can mistakenly block Roblox. Temporarily disable your security software for about 1 minute to see if Roblox then launches correctly. If it does, you will need to add Roblox as an exception to your firewall and antivirus settings. This ensures the game has the necessary permissions to communicate over the internet without being flagged as a threat, preventing connection-related crashes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.